Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libras. Take only what resonates, guys. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Again, this is for Libra. Okay, sa mga gusto mag-follow sa akin sa TikTok, check mo na lang Unicorn Princess Tarot. Nagsishare tayo dyan ng mga palm reading, So, if you want to check it out, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Tsaka nagla-live din ako dyan, guys. So, kung gusto mong makita ko ng live and makapagpa-reading sa akin ng live. Kasi nagbibigay ako ng mga reading talaga live. And also sa Madam P Vlogs. Madam P Vlogs. Dyan ako magla-live. Anyway, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libras. Okay, wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, let's start. Libra. For Libras, please. Messages for you. You do have here the Emperor. Yan, that's a major arcana. Knight of Wands. Okay. Eight of Swords. Two of Pentacles is here. May nararamdaman agad akong sakit, guys. Nalulungkot, nasasaktan. This person might be in the past. Sobrang nagpipigil siya eh. May boundaries sa inyong dalawa nitong person na ito. Two of Pentacles, I feel like mas priority niya yung money, career, finances. With the Knight of Wands, nakikita natin yung pag-iwas, paglayo nitong taong ito sa'yo. But with the Emperor, nagmamatigas lang siya. This person with the Devil, Capricorn energy. Maybe someone na manipulative. Gusto niya siya yung nasusunod. Knight of Swords. Pinipilit niya lumayo, umiwas, and mag-focus sa kanyang mga gustong ma-achieve sa buhay, pangarap. Naghihintay itong person na to. The Temperance is here. Naghihintay siya. Actually, hindi to dapat love reading. Pero nakakuha tayo ng love reading dito, guys. For Libra, please. Spirit guides, angel guides for Libra. Okay, so ano yung nasa... Sorry, natigilan ako, guys. Ano yung nasa isipan nitong taon to? The Queen of Wands. Hindi ko ito kukunin. Masyadong marami to. Kunin ko lang yung mga naunang nalaglag. Queen of Swords. So talagang itong taong to, no? The Fool is here. Okay, ayaw niyang lumabas dito as, parang ayaw niya magmukhang tanga, This person is Gusto niya mag-take ng risk actually. Pero, I don't know, it feels like mas madali kasing mag-let go, i-cut off ka, kaysa mag-take ng risk. Tell me more. You do have a 3 of Cups. I don't know if you're friends or may mga ibang friends pang involved sa connection ninyong dalawa ng taong to. Or pwedeng friends kayo nitong taong to. The Ace of Pentacles is here. Judgment. Ang dami niya na-realize eh. The 5 of Wands. Dito sa naging magulong connection ninyong dalawa. Ang dami niya na-realize. This person is really in pain. Sobrang nasasaktan siya. King of Cups. The 5 of Cups. And the 3 of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. And sobrang nasasaktan siya oh. Mahal ka niya. Nalulungkot siya. Sobrang nasasaktan siya. Dahil sa nagiging magulong connection ninyo. Dahil sa nagiging silent mode sa connection ninyo. Dahil walang usap-usap na nangyayari. Nasasaktan siya. Nararamdaman niya umiiwas ka na. Anong gusto niya sabihin? Ang gusto niya sabihin? I don't react when people mention you. Okay. Sabi ko sa'yo, nagmamatigas siya eh. Maybe binabanggit ka pa rin itong mga mahalagang tao sa buhay niya. Like maybe friends, families. But you know, hindi lang siya nagpapahalata na hindi siya naapektuhan. Pero naapektuhan talaga siya. You and I were too young. Maybe both of you ay nagkakilala kayo ng bata pa masyado, or maybe itong pagte-take ng risk or mga actions na nangyari in the past is nangyari dahil hindi pa masyadong mature, either both of you or siya mismo. And you do have here, I want to tell you how I feel. O gusto niya sabihin talaga kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. Pero, hindi niya maamin yung mga kamalian niya or yung mga pagkukulang niya. I know I messed up everything. So, this person na naliwanagan na siya. Okay, alam niya siya yung may mali, pero maybe hindi niya maamin yun. Ayan. But it was my fault, but I blamed you. So, I told you, diba? Maaaring may mga pagkakamali siya. May mga kasalanan siya na na-realize niyang mali niya talaga yon. Pero sinisisi ka niya. Pinapalabas niyang ikaw yon. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? What will happen in the near future for you, Libra? The Over the Judgment. The Hermit. That is at the bottom of the deck. Pero yung mga lumabas na card. Queen of Swords. Ten of Swords. Six of Cups. Queen of Swords. Five of Wands. Ten of Wands. And the Two of Wands. In the near future, mas nakikita natin na kina-cut off mo na tong taong to for good. And then yung person na ito, actually, this person, nakikita niya naman yun, that you're already okay, masaya ka na, masaya ka na, and then, pwedeng okay ka na. I do get the feeling na parang itong pagka-cut off na to with the Five of Wands, mahirap na talagang buuin or ayusin pa ulit. No? Lalo na naging magulo na talaga siya. And kung makikita mo yung mga cards natin. Ten of Swords. This is complete ending. And lalo na nandito sa Five of Wands. Actually, yung person mo, ayan, the King and Queen of Swords, pareho kayo na nagka-cut off nitong past with the Six of Cups. Kasi mahirap na mas madali na lang tapusin kaysa buuin. Five of Wands, masyado na naging magulo. Ten of Wands, nakikita natin dito na marami ng responsibilidad. Marami ng kailangan unahin with the Two of Wands, which is yung mga plano sa buhay. But, yeah, tell me more. You came closer than anyone, so kahit pa paano naging special ka dito sa person na ito. I want to be more than friends. So, can you clarify that, Spirit Guides? So, in the future, I hide behind material things. So, for some of you, kung hindi natuloy yung relasyon ninyo, I feel like gusto pa rin niya ng continuation, pero wala I wish I had treated you better. So, alam niya naman yung mga kamalian niya. Pero, hindi niya kayang aminin yun. Hindi niya kayang harapin. Or hindi niya kayang tanggapin na siya talaga yung nagkamali. Siya talaga yung may mali. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.